it's Veronica Pullen from veronicapullen.co.uk, and in this video I want to walk you through the setup of a messenger chat box on your website. So we're on my website here, and you can see in the right hand bottom corner this pop-up. It appears as soon as somebody comes to my website. That's the messenger icon, and if you can see here, hey Veronica here, if you have any questions click here to message me. When I click on chat, it will send a message to my page, my Facebook page inbox. How do we do that? Okay, so in Facebook, first thing you need to do is come to your page, click on settings, and on the left hand side you have messenger platform. Okay, so you click on messenger platform, and then here we are in the setup. So you choose the language, and then you change your greeting. There will be a default here, and you can change that. So you just click on change and type what you want to type. There's a maximum of 80 characters here, so you can't write an essay, as I tried to do. Then click on the next button, and I have this set to automatically set. You know how on your page already it says how quickly you apply? Just leave that. Or you could set an expectation if you wanted to have a different expectation for your website. It's entirely up to you. Now, custom colours is off by default, or you can turn it on. So it's off by default, and you click there to turn it on. You can click in here. You can either choose a colour from here or enter the hex code of your branding colour, whichever you prefer. Then click on next, and then you need to here add your domain name, your website domain name, where it's going to appear. Now you've probably already done this if you've set up instant articles, but if your domain name isn't showing there, add it, including the HTTP or the HTTPS, however your site is set up. Okay, once you've done that, click save, and then the final step is to click over here. This is the code. So copy this code to the clipboard, and then you come over to your website, and if you've set up your Facebook pixel with me or instant articles with me, you've already set up Tracking Code Manager, the Tracking Code Manager free plugin on your website, or you've got an alternative, or you know how to access the body area. Because if we look here, it says insert it directly after the opening body tag on each page where you want it to appear. So if you've got Tracking Code Manager, you would go to settings and choose Tracking Code Manager from the options here. If you've got a different analytics or code manager plugin, you find that. Otherwise you'd find the body area of your website, or you'd install one of the plugins, whichever option. Click on add new tracking code, and now the first thing you do is name it. So you can call this messenger website chat, or whatever you want. In here you paste your tracking code that you just copied from here. Put that in there. Scroll down, and it says here position inside the code, and remember it was before, it was after body starts. Okay, so put it there. Show only on device, leave that. Standard code tracking, tick that, and here you choose the option that you want to select. Is it on the whole website, or is it on specific pages or posts? I've done it on the whole website. You can exclude post, or the page post, or post exclude if you want. When you're done, click save, and then go back to your website. You may need to go back to it on an incognito tab window. Control Shift and N for November if you're using Chrome to check. And when you go back to it, and that's what's going on here, that's why it's showing that I'm not logged in because I'm in an incognito browser. But when you go back to it, your messenger chat box will be on your website, and people will be able to come to your website and send you a Facebook message direct from there. Okay, enjoy, have fun, and I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.